Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby, if you don't know who I am, and today I'm going to be filming a very highly requested everyday makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that I do is I use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil to fill in my eyebrows. It's not focusing, it's just not the day for it. But yeah, I use this to fill in my brows. I don't really do too much to them, to be honest, because I'm just not very talented at doing my eyebrows, to be honest. Like, as long as they look like kind of even, and that's really all I want. Yeah, so I just fill them in. I don't even like really like draw a shape or anything. I just like literally color them in and hope that they look okay. Watch, because I'm on camera, they'll look really bad today. Yeah, literally every single time I post a TikTok or a YouTube video, someone DMs me or comments and they're like, can you please do a makeup tutorial? And I was just like, okay guys, I'll do it. As I'm filming this, I'm in ISO because I got COVID and I'm feeling fine, so I'm just trying to get some stuff done. So there's my eyebrows. They're just colored in, they're nothing special. By the way, is I have put moisturizer on. I use the CeraVe moisturizer. So I'm going to use my Matte Finish NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray. And just put it on. And then I'm going to use the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Clearly, as you can tell, she's been well used. I am going to have to buy a new one soon, which is kind of painful because this is expensive. Like, this is probably the most expensive makeup product I own, but she's so good. She literally keeps my makeup on all day. So I'm just gonna apply this using my fingers. Sorry guys, I just zoomed you in a little bit. So for foundation, what I do is I use the NARS Natural Radiance foundation. Yeah, as you can see, she's also well used. Oh, I'm a mess. But I use the shade Barcelona in this one. I use it when I'm fake tanned or when I'm not fake tanned, which sounds a bit funny, but I've got a Mecca Max foundation darkener. It is honestly amazing, and it darkens my foundation and it doesn't change the formula. So it's like 30 bucks from Mecca. Best thing I ever bought. I've been using it for years. But yeah, so I just apply this all over my face, and then I use a beauty blender and I just blend it in. My makeup clearly all needs to be cleaned, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna not do this too heavy because my skin kind of hates me right now. I'm meant to get my period sometime soon. I don't know when, I just know it's soon. I don't know, I haven't checked the app. That's why I've got so many pimples, and I've been bored in ISO, so I've been picking my face, which is bad. Don't do that, kids. If you don't do it, don't start now. Then the next step after I've applied my foundation is I use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35. It's somewhere, I just know that's the color, like, religiously. But this one is like a pump one, and I never need that much concealer, so I just put it into like a into a little sample thing. So I just like do a pump. Just pump, and yeah, if you guys have concealer recommendations, please let me know, because clearly from the looks of things I'm gonna have to buy some new makeup soon, like a whole base. And I really want to try Charlotte Tilbury foundation and like concealer. I just have no idea what's even around anymore. Okay, so I've applied the concealer on my face, and now I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Let it marinate, I guess. Okay, so now we're gonna just blend it all in. Pretty much this whole makeup routine is like one of my friend Paige. It's like literally like her. Like, she just cultured me up. She really did. And this product is probably my favorite product ever, and it's because of her. So it's the Hourglass Mineral Veil. This girl has expensive makeup, but basically I used the NARS, like the little like the liquid the cream contour bronzer, Sunkissed Bronzing Cream. I use the Casino color because Laguna is a bit light for me. Again, done some damage, but basically I just grab it and I contour my face. I just put it everywhere where I put bronzer pretty much. So I just kind of do this, and it makes such a difference. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I just kind of use it on my face everywhere. I'm doing it a bit rough today. If I was actually like going out somewhere, I would not be doing it this rough. As you guys can see, I put it around my face. And now what I do is I just grab this random brush and I contour my nose. So what I do is I just go like this, and I'm pretty harsh in my contour. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So just drag 2 lines down. I'm getting like camera fright, stage fright. And then I do the bottom like this, and down here. And then do like a little circle like this. It kind of reminds me of the filter on TikTok, the light makeup filter. That's how I contour my nose. And sometimes I put a little bit here and here. Now that I don't have a nose ring in, it's easier to contour my nose. And then I'll just grab out my beauty blender in a little bit and I will blend it in. So my favorite part about doing my makeup is doing my blush, and I use 2 liquid blushes. So what I do is I use the Benefit Benetint, that one. I don't know what shade this is. I'm sure it said what shade it was years ago, but yeah, I've had it for a while. And then I use the NARS Liquid Orgasm Blush, the viral one. I wasn't gonna get this, but then I saw it in stock at Eastland and I was like, I'll get it. Anyway, so what I do, because I'm quite tanned, so this is a bit too light for me. So what I do is I just put a little bit of this up the top like that, at the very top. I just blend it out using my fingers like this. See, look at how rosy it looks. Don't mind the state of my eyelashes, I need to brush them. So it adds a light rosy touch up the top of my cheeks. And then I grab liquid Orgasm Blush. I do this one side at a time because this dries really fast. I just put but yeah, I just put a little bit on each cheek. The next step of my makeup routine is powder. So what I do is I put setting spray all over my face. Look, I make it like wet, and look how shiny I am. And then I grab my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I can't really grab right now because it's open on my floor. And then I put it, for example, under my eyes, under my smile lines, on my forehead. I love the whole look of no powder, like that dewy makeup look. Unfortunately, I have oily skin. Then I just wait a little while. I'm gonna grab my MAC Gimme Sun bronzer. What she looks like, and I'm gonna just literally put it everywhere that you put bronzer, everywhere that I put the NARS. So I just put it all over, make myself nice and bronze. I literally, the more time that I spend doing bronzer, the better my makeup looks. I don't know why. Lots of bronzer on. I usually take my time with this, but I don't know. Oh my god, it just went so sunny outside. Next step in my makeup routine is to grab this Unicorn Candy Blushing Powder from Pony Cosmetics. And basically it's like a 1 shade blush, and it's got like, it's like a gradient blush. It's really cool. And I really like the colour. So what I do is I just grab some, it's very pigmented, and then I just put it on my cheeks as well. I try not to be too restricted with the blush that I use, because blush is the first thing that comes off your face. Fun facts, guys. But I don't want to be too overboard because not my vibe. But yeah, so I just put a little bit more just to be rosy, especially because it's every day. Whenever I go out, like out, I sometimes put a bit less blush, because I find that blush is more like cute vibes and hot vibes. But yeah. Now, what I do is I grab my setting spray again, and I just put a little bit, because this is a matte setting spray, and I don't want to be like matte, you know. But what I do next is I do my highlighter. Now, I use the trusty old classic, the Becca Champagne Pop, which I'm pretty sure they don't make anymore. So once, I feel like I should find a highlighter to use alongside this one, because this is a classic. Then what I do is I grab my fan brush. This is a Morphe M310, and then I just apply it to my cheeks and temples, just like that. Look at that glow. It is so good. If I had my lighting on right now, this would look unreal right now. I'll show you guys how my makeup looks in a second. I'll show you the power of good lighting. And then I grab this brush again. I use one side for my contour and one side for my highlighter. Don't judge me. Okay, I don't have that many brushes, but I just put this on my nose like that. And then I put some under my brow line, the arch of my eyebrow. I think I put that in my eyebrow, but anyway. And then one last place, I put it in my inner corners. So just like, I don't know why that tickled me so much to do today. I've got lash extensions, so all I'm gonna do is brush my eyelashes and then they'll be done. When I don't have eyelash extensions, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I've been using that religiously. It makes my eyelashes look literally unreal. I love it. Guys, I forgot the most important step of my makeup routine. It is my lip liner and lip gloss. And people always ask what combination I use. I use this Maybelline, is it? Lasting Finish. I don't know what brand Lasting Finish is. Whatever brand that is, I'm not sure. And I don't know what color it's in either. Oh, 110 Spice. That's what I use. I just overline my lippies. Ah. Why does it look uneven? It looks uneven. Anyway, put lip gloss. This is the Mecca Max Gloss Boss in the shade It Girl. I literally love this. It's the perfect color for me. I just put it on like that, and that's how I look the way I look. Okay, this is the final makeup look. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is literally how I look every time I do my makeup, whether it's a night out, which, like, okay, having a night out has a few extra steps. So I might do, when I don't have eyelash extensions, I'll do like a proper get ready with me makeup tutorial for going out. But yeah, I love it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you know when I upload, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, love you.